Hi, today I want to show you how to find app settings on iPhone. For that, as a first step, open Settings on the phone. And now with the new iOS 18 or later versions, you just need to swipe all the way down and find the last section Apps. In another versions of iOS, all of your apps you will see in the settings, but now it is grouped in the apps category. So tap on the apps and find app for which you want to check settings. For example, let's use Instagram. And here, as you can see, I can turn on live activities, which is dynamic island. Background app refresh, I can check version of Instagram, change language, adjust Siri settings, and enable to show it in search. Now I can open game as well, and here I got a bit different settings because I can allow tracking. We can also try to open Gmail, and here we can adjust notifications. So as you can see, for each of apps, we got different settings to adjust. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.